Okay, so for 2007 Hyundai Sonata, um, if you run into this issue, you have a broken door handle, there's an easy fix to this. So basically, what you're gonna do is you just take pair needle nose or your finger. I'm working with one hand, so just bear with me. And you just gently press that, and it'll pop off, and it'll snap away from the screw, like so. And from there, I don't know if you can see it or not. I am currently working with a Razor 2024. There's a little lever in there. Stick your needle nose in there to lift the lever. Sorry about the camera movement. Lift the lever, and voila, door is open. Now you can replace your door handle. So basically, you will remove this tab right here. So simple pocket knife or something, just be gentle so you don't scratch your paint. And then there's an 8mm screw inside. You're gonna either need a deep socket and an extension, or I'll show you my 5/16. And basically this is my setup right here. And so all I'll do is take my pocket knife. I'll try to do it while I'm holding the camera, but you just slide your pocket knife in ever so gently, grab your tab, off it comes, voila. And from there we are going to stick our tool in, find the screw. Once we find the screw, screw it off. And the easiest way to do it is to make sure you have a magnetic tip. So I'm gonna have to set it down for a second just to remove the screw because that end is broken. So just bear with me. Okay. So once that piece is removed, get your new part. You can pick these up on eBay. Amazon for a full set for like 20 to 24 bucks. I live in Aurora, Colorado, so, and technically my Amazon warehouse is basically down a few blocks away from me, so I either get it same day or next day. But essentially all you do is place your handle in and then just slide it to the right. It's locked in, it's good to go. And then for your little cover, you just place your cover in and you just screw it back. And I kept my screw in, screwdriver still there, and I'll just push it back as needed while I slide this into place, and then I'll just tighten the screw. That's simple. Like, share, comment.